Hi, this is Paul from Reliable POD, and this is a tutorial on how to create designs for our sparkling mugs using the free templates and uploading them into our Shopify app. The first thing you need to do is get the template. So if you come onto the website, find the product, 11-ounce sparkling mug. As you scroll down, you'll find sparkling mug template, which you can download. There's an overview of the size and file type. Then at the bottom, we've got a mock-up that you can use. And there's also a video there on how to use mock-ups if you haven't used them before. One thing to note when creating designs for the sparkling mugs, you have to use a PNG. We won't let you upload JPEGs, and we highly recommend black images only. Don't go uploading photos because they just don't look right on the mugs. The black images look absolutely stunning on these, as you'll see by the product video that's there. So just bear that in mind when you're creating your artwork. So once you've downloaded your template, open it up. Like all those 11-ounce mugs, 1589 pixels by 661 pixels at 200 dpi. Remember, that's pixels and not millimeters. You have to create your design to exactly the right pixel size, or the app won't let you upload it, even if you're 1 pixel out. So if you use the template, you'll be fine. So once you've got your template, you need to create a design. We've got one somewhere that I created. There we go. This is a PNG. So if we copy that, if you look at the size of it, image and image size, you'll see 1589 by 661. So if we copy that and then drop that onto the template, you can see that, let me hide that layer. You can see here the right hand side of the mug, the left hand side with the center line. If you turn that on, that's positioned perfectly. Then your text is in the middle there. However, you don't want to save this image like this because obviously you're going to get the background in and it's not going to be a PNG. So what you need to do to make that a PNG is come down here if you're using Photoshop, unlock this back layer, delete that, and then come to File, Save As, and then make sure you save that as a PNG, and you'll be fine there. You'll be able to upload that. Just another thing that I'll show you. If we delete this top layer, not everybody wants to create designs like that. Let's say we just want to put this monkey design on the front side of the mug. This is a JPEG with a white background. If you're using Photoshop, if you come into here, get the magic wand tool, make sure contiguous is unticked. If you then click on the white and then do select and inverse, there we go, there's inverse. And then if you do cut that out, Control X. If you then come into the mug, Control V and paste it. If you use Control T, that'll allow you to resize it. If you hold the Shift key, you can just pull it in from the corner and it'll keep the aspect ratio correct. Drag it up, again, Shift and pull the corner in. Let's have a look. Let's say, oops, a bit too far there. Let's say you just wanted it there, like that. Position it where you want it. You can see it's on this line. Press the tick box at the top of the screen. Then again, if you go down to that bottom layer, File and delete, and just save that file as a PNG. That'll print exactly where you want it on the mug. Hope that's useful. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.